Welcome to Cast Sudoku. I'm Cassidy. Today I'm doing the New York Times Hard Sudoku for Sunday, July 13th, 2025, and I am doing the archived version on Sudoku Pad. All right, let's get started. Let's see. Just scanning to see what we can fill in right away. The first thing I see, nope, never mind. I don't see anything yet. Hmm. What do I see? Okay, the first thing I see is in this column, we need a 2 and a 7. 2 and 7 are in this box, so that leaves just these two cells where the 2 and the 7 can go. So if the 2 and the 7 go here and here, then these two cells have to be the 1 or the 4 for the rest of this column. 1's in this row, so 4 goes there, 4 is in that row, so 1 goes there. Okay, so now 1 will go here or here in this box, and 4 will go here or here. Okay, so then 2 and 7 here and here. Let's see. What does this row need? This row needs 3, 4, 7, 8. So this cell would be 3, 7, 7, 8, 3, 4, 7, and 3, 4, 7, 8. Okay, so 3 or 7 can go here. In this column, we need a 5 and a 9. 5 and 9 are in this box, this row, and this row. So that means there's only two cells the 5 and the 9 can go in, this cell and this cell. So 5 and 9 go here or here, and then the rest of this column would need to be 2, 6, 7, 8. So this cell would be 7, 8, 2, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that doesn't tell us much yet except for 5 or 9 goes here. So, okay, if this cell has to be a 5 or 9 in order for there to be a 5 and a 9 in this column, 6 is in this column, so the only cell the 6 can go in is here in this box. And then 9 is in this column, so the 9 will have to go here, which means 5 goes here for there to be a 5 in this column. Then these two cells are the 5 and the 7. Okay, so 5 and 7 go here, and then in this box, 2 and 7 go here or here. Then in this row, the 7 will need to go here or here in order for there to be a 7. We'll just remember that. Let's look at the rest of this column. So this is 5 and 7. So then these three cells would have to be 2, 3, 8. So 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. Okay, nothing to note there. 1 here or here, 4 here or here, or here or here, 1 here or here. Okay. Let's see. Okay, now that we put this 9 here in this box, the only cell the 9 can go in is here. And now 2 and 4 are in this row and in this column. So that means 2 or 4 have to go in this cell or this cell. So then if we look at this column, the only cell the 4 can go in is here. And then 2 will go here or here in this box for there to be a 2 in this column. Okay, so 2 and 4 here and here, then the rest of this box would be 3, 5, 6, 7. So this would be 3, 5, 6, 7, 3, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, and 3, 5, because 7 had to go here or here, remember, for there to be a 7 in this row. Okay, so 2 and 4 here and here, then the rest of this column would be 3, 6, 7, 8. So this is 3, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 3, 6, 7, 8, and 3, 6, 8. So 6 goes somewhere here in this box so that there's a 6 in this column. And 2 goes here or here. Okay. Now that we put this 4 here, what's the rest of this row? Oh, in this row, the only cell the 1 can go in is here, and then we would still need 6, 7, 8. So this is 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 8. Okay. What is this column? 2, 4, 7, 8. So this is, nope, 2, 6, 7, 8. This would be 2, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 2, 6, or 2, 7, 8, and 7, 8. So 6 goes here or here in this box. Okay. Let's see. Well, in this box now, the only cell the 9 can go in is here. And now in this row, there's a 1 in this box, 1 in this column, and 1 in this column. The only cell the 1 can go in is here. And then the rest of this row would need to be 2, 3, 7, 8. So this is 3, 7, 8, 2, 3, 7, 8, 2, 3, 7, 8, and 3, 8. And this, oh, in this column, the only cell the 1 can go in is here, and then the rest of this column would need to be 2, or no, 3, 4, 7. 4 is in this box, so the 4 is going to go here, and that means 3 and 7 go here or here. 7 is in this row, so the 3 will go here, and the 7 here. And then these 3 cells are going to be 2, 6, 8. So this is 2, 8, 2, 6, 8, 6, 8. Okay. So now in this box, the only cell the 7 can go in is here. And then if we look at this row, 2 is in this box and 7's in this column, so the 2 and the 7 can't go here. And 2 and 7 are both in this column. So in this row, the 2 and the 7 have to go here or here. But in this box, the 7 goes here or here. So this will have to be the 2, and this will be the 7. And then 3 and 8 go in this cell and this cell. Okay, and now that this 2 is here in this box, the only cell the 2 can go in is here, and the only cell the 6 can go in is here, and then the 8 will have to go here, and then 8 goes here in this box for there to be an 8 in this row. And then these 3 cells are 5, 6, 9. So this is 5, 6, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And this row would be 2, 5, 6. So this is 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. The 5 is in this column, and remember in this box, 2 will have to go here or here. So this will have to be the 6, and then this will still have to be the 2 for there to be a 2 in this row, and then 5 goes here. 6 and 9 go here and here in this box, and then 3, 5, and 8 go here. So this would be 3, 5, 8, 3, 8, 3, 5. Okay. This row needs 3, 7, 8. 7 and 8 are in this column, so 3 goes here, 8's in this column, so 7 will go here and 8 here. And then this is going to be the 7 to finish this column, and then the 3 to finish this box. All right, then this in this box, the only cell the 3 can go in is here now, and then these 2 cells have to be the 6 or the 8. 8 is in this column, so 6 goes here, 8 here. And then these 2 cells are going to be the 2 or the 4. 2 is in this column, so 4 goes here and 2 here. And then this is the 8 to finish this box. And now this would need to be 6 or 9 here and here. Okay, these were 2 and 7 here and here. This column needs 3 and 5. Okay, so again, well, let's look at this row. 7's in this column, 7's in this column, 7's in this column. The only cell the 7 can go in is here. And then this row would be 3, 5, 6. So this is 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 5, 6. Okay. And this column needs 3, 5, 6. So there's a 6 in this box and a 6 in this row. So the 6 will go here in this box, and then this would be 3 or 5. And then this was 3 or 5. In this box, the only cell the 8 can go in is here. That's right. 2 and 4 go here and here, and that means 3 or 5 go here and here. Now this was 5 and 7. This is 2 and 7. Let's see. What does this column need? Oh, in this column, the only cell the 1 can go in is here. And then this column needs 4, 6, 9. 4 and 9 are in this row, so 6 goes here. And then 4 is in this box, so that'll be the 9. That's the 4. And now in this box, the 6 goes here. And then these 3 cells are going to be 3, 5, 9. 9 is in this row and this row, so 9 goes here. 3 is in this row, so that's the 5, that's the 3. Now 5 goes here to finish this row, and then 3 to finish this column, 5 to finish this box, 3 to finish this column. 2 and 4 went here and here. 4 is in this row, so there's the 2, there's the 4. 5 or 7 here and here. 5 is in this row, so 7, 5, and then we finally have 2 and 7. 10 minutes and 50 seconds. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.